In front of me is REALME C63 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to hit safety and emergency. Then click on emergency contacts. Select add contact and click on the one you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To change order of them, hit Reorder at the top right corner, hold one contact and drag it to the proper place on the list. Then select Save. To remove one of them, click on this X next to the one you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!